What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley AutoWorks. Today, a really cool company called Haudio sent me out an awesome stereo to review for you guys, and I've got an awesome spray out plan. So without further ado, let's unbox this stereo and let's see what it's all about. What I have here today, guys, is a brand new radio from Haudio. It's got a 10.1 screen. It actually attaches separately from the unit, so you mount the unit and then you install the screen. You can swivel it, you can turn it different ways. So very, very cool. It has a bunch of EQ adjustments. It's got CarPlay built into it. It's also got a Rearview camera. All the modern amenities that you're looking for in a radio. And today we're going to be installing it in my shop truck. So let's get into it. Alright, so originally I was going to install the radio on the truck, but I don't think it's going to fit right. This is a massive screen, a very, very cool radio, but a massive screen. But the Kia, on the other hand, my minivan, we're going to turn this into the ultimate Haudio party wagon. So let's get it installed. Alright guys, so really quick, let me walk you through all the features. Obviously you can sync up to CarPlay with this. You hit this little button right here and you can go into GPS, you can go back, you go over right here and you go to Z-Link. When you click on Z-Link, that shows your home GPS. You can listen to your music. That's your CarPlay stuff. So when you're done with that, you can actually just hit the home button. And everything's very responsive, guys. And then you can go right here. This takes you to radio. Don't want to get copyrighted, but yeah, radio works good. And then let's see, this is your MP3 stuff, little Madonna videos. If you've got videos on your phone, you want to watch stuff, and I mean the quality is very good, guys. Look at that HD. We're jamming. Hang on, let me turn some volume up. I mean, the quality on this HD screen, guys, 10.1, I mean, you can't beat it, guys. So, just an awesome all-around unit. I definitely got to play with this thing more. Let me see. So, I know one of the big concerns is always going to be audio quality, especially with units that have all this technology built into them, guys. You do not have to worry about that. Right here is an onboard EQ adjustment that has multiple presets and a full EQ band. You can completely dial everything in, and I've owned many cheap radios and many expensive radios. This thing puts out excellent sound, guys, so you have no worries there. You can operate it just like your phone, guys, and of course the backup camera. That's another feature. You can hook up subwoofers, you can put anything you want. A really good big vivid screen backup camera. I mean, look at the size of that. So all in all, I really like this product. Haudio, awesome radio.